Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the problem who has the majority. In this problem there is a given array ARR and the elements x and y. So we will return the element which occurs more frequently from the given x and y. So if both elements have the same frequency, return the smaller one. So in the given example there is 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 4 4 5. X is equals to 4, y is equals to 5. Output is 4 because 4 occurs 4 times, 5 occurs 1 time. So if you see the approach, we use a hash map to store the values as a value and frequency pair. So to store each and every value as a key and value pair. So conditions we use to give the output from the method as a result or any integer variable. So if you see the first example, 1 repeated 2 times, 2 also 2 times, 3 also 2 times, 4 is repeated 4 times, and 5 is repeated 1 time. So x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 5. So x is repeated 4 times, which is 4, and y is repeated 1 time, which is 5. So the output will be obviously 4. X is the output. So we will need to solve this program in this complexity. So how? So we declare a hash map. So we declared a hash map. We are using an integer key type and integer value type. So for every we are using a for each loop. So on the given list. So for every integer n from the array list, we will put the value as a key value pair in the map using the put method. So put method takes the key which is n, comma we use a simple logic for the value logic, which is again map dot get or default method, which takes again n and the default value for that if it is not present plus 1. We are incrementing the counter or the frequency of the value n. So the frequency map is completed. So we check if x is not present in the given array and if y is present, then simply return directly y. So if y is not present and x is present, then return x. And if frequency of x and frequency of y, these both are equal, then return minimum from x or y. And if these three bases are not true, then if x frequency is greater than y frequency, is it? If it is, then return x, else return y. So that's it. Sample test case is passed. Hidden test cases are also passed. So we can see the code complexity. We used a single for loop with no internal loops, and it depends on the size of the input. So it is big O of n. And coming to the space, we used a hash map, so it takes big O of n again. So expected error big O of n time, which is matching, but we took a more space. But it was needed, so we can't do anything. But time is more needed or to check most in the nowadays scenarios. So our time is matching to the expected complexity. So this is how we can solve this program. This program link is given in the description. So go and practice the problem now. So thank you for watching.